Why I Marry the Orphan Girl. I am the richest man in the village. I have gold, I have land, I have houses, I have power. Many girls look at me. They smile at me. They wear fine clothes. They speak sweet words. They want my money. But I look deeper. I look at hearts. I look at respect. I look at discipline. I look at truth. One day I see her. She is the orphan girl. She has no father. She has no mother. She has no family. She is poor. She is simple. She is quiet. She is kind. She is strong. She wakes early. She cleans the yard. She carries water. She cooks food. She helps people. Her hands are rough. Her clothes are old. Her steps are steady. Her eyes are bright. Her heart is pure. I watch her every day. I see her respect. I see her discipline. I see her hard work. I see her love. I ask, who is she? They say she is poor. They say she is orphan. They say she is nothing. They say she is weak. But I say she is strong. I say she is kind. I say she is true. I say she is rich in heart. I say she is mine. Other girls laugh. They say, why her? They say she is poor. They say she is small. They say she is weak. I smile. I say she is rich in respect. I say she is rich in discipline. I say she is rich in love. I say she is rich in truth.
I marry her. I give her a home. I give her care. I give her peace. I give her joy. She stays humble. She stays kind. She stays respectful. She stays disciplined. She stays hardworking. She helps the poor. She feeds the hungry. She clothes the weak. She teaches the children. She heals the sad. I am proud. I am happy. I am safe. I am loved. I am blessed. The village sees. The people learn. The girls understand. The boys respect. The elders smile. They say money is not all. They say beauty is not all. They say gold is not all. They say clothes are not all. They say heart is all. My wife shines. Her respect shines. Her discipline shines. Her hard work shines. Her love shines. I say I choose well. I say I choose truth. I say I choose peace. I say I choose her. Now I live with joy. Now I live with peace. Now I live with hope. Now I live with love. Now I live with truth. Now I live with her. Now I share my house. Now I share my food. Now I share my heart. Now I share my life. She wakes early. She cooks breakfast. She greets me with a smile. She speaks with respect. She works with care. I watch her every day. She cleans the home. She helps the poor. She teaches the children. She prays for peace. Her discipline is strong. Her respect is clear. Her hard work is true. Her kindness is deep. Her love is pure.
I feel proud. I feel safe. I feel happy. I feel blessed. I feel rich. The village watches us. The people talk about us. The girls whisper. The boys respect. The elders smile. They say, "She is wise." They say, "She is kind." They say, "She is strong." They say, "She is true." They say, "She is queen." I see her shine. Her respect shines. Her discipline shines. Her hard work shines. Her love shines. I say, "I choose well." I say, "I choose truth." I say, "I choose peace." I say, "I choose love." I say, "I choose her." Now I learn from her. I learn respect. I learn discipline. I learn patience. I learn kindness. She teaches me. She teaches the village. She teaches the children. She teaches the poor. She teaches with love. I am rich in gold, but she is rich in heart. I am rich in land, but she is rich in love. Together, we are rich in life.
I am the richest man in the village. I have gold. I have land. I have houses. I have power. But today I give advice. I speak to the young. I speak to the poor. I speak to the rich. I speak to all. Listen to me. Money is not all. Gold is not all. Clothes are not all. Beauty is not all. Respect is important. Discipline is important. Hard work is important. Kindness is important. Love is important. I marry the orphan girl. She has no father. She has no mother. She has no family. She has no wealth. But she has respect. She has discipline. She has hard work. She has kindness. She has love. I see her heart. I see her truth. I see her discipline. I see her respect. I see her love. That is why I choose her. That is why I marry her. That is why I trust her. That is why I love her. That is why I honor her. So my advice is clear. Do not chase money only. Do not chase beauty only. Do not chase clothes only. Do not chase gold only. Chase respect. Chase discipline. Chase hard work. Chase kindness. Chase love. If you are poor, be honest. If you are weak, be kind. If you are small, be brave. If you are alone, be strong. If you are sad, be hopeful. People will see you. People will respect you. People will trust you. People will love you. People will honor you. Money can buy food. Money can buy clothes. Money can buy houses. Money can buy cars. Money can buy land. But money cannot buy respect. Money cannot buy discipline. Money cannot buy hard work. Money cannot buy kindness. Money cannot buy love. So I tell you, work hard every day. Respect others always. Stay disciplined. Be kind to all. Love with truth. This is my advice. This is my gift. This is my lesson. This is my story. This is my heart.